The City of Edmonton has been exploring opportunities to install solar cell installations throughout city-owned properties. This building fits in perfectly with that. We really have the ability to utilize solar technology in a lot of our buildings. Hi, my name is Brad Watson and I'm a Program Manager with Facility Infrastructure Delivery. Our array is producing between 200 and 250 kilowatts. That's going to actually save the building $219,000 in operating costs each year. It won't really look any different from the outside unless you're up close, but from across the river it will look the same. When you're in the building, you will see a little bit of a pattern on the floor. It's generally just created by the shadows from the solar cells. The cool thing about solar technology is that as soon as they receive a certain amount of UV rays, they become active. So snow does affect it a little bit, but snow is translucent enough that you can have a certain amount of snow and the panels will still receive UV rays. This project incorporates sustainable design and it really helps the city towards this goal in becoming a climate resilient city.